Hare Krishna. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.
Jai.
It's a very beautiful song. The song's name is Gopinath Mama Nivedana Shuno. The official name is Upalabhi Vijñapati Song 1. Author is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. Book name is Kalyana Kalpatru and the language is Bengali. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Gopinath, 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 Gopinath. Mama Nivedana Shuno, Mama Nivedana Shuno. Mama Nivedana Shuno, Mama Nivedana Shuno. Visayi Durjana Sada Kamarata, Visayi Durjana Sada Kamarata, Kichu nahi mora guna, Kichu nahi mora guna, Kichu nahi mora guna, Kichu nahi mora guna. Gopinath, 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 Gopinath. Amar barasa tumi, Amar barasa tumi, Amar barasa tumi, Amar barasa tumi. তোমার চরণে লইনু শরণা, তোমার চরণে লইনু শরণা, তোমার কিঙ্কর আমি, তোমার কিঙ্কর আমি। Mama Nivedana Shuno, Mama Nivedana Shuno, Mama Nivedana Shuno, Mama Nivedana Shuno. Gopinath, 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 Gopinath. Kemone shodibe more, Kemone shodibe more, Kemone shodibe more, Kemone shodibe more, न जानी बकती कर्म जड़मती, न जानी बकती कर्म जड़मती, पोरेची संसार गोरे, पोरेची संसार गोरे. मम निवेदन शुणो, मम निवेदन शुणो, मम निवेदन शुणो, मम निवेदन शुणो. गोपीनाथ, गोपीनाथ, गोपीनाथ गोपीनाथ सकली तुम्हारे माया सकली तुम्हारे माया सकली तुम्हार माया सकली तुम्हार माया नाही नाही मम बल ज्ञान निर्मल नाही मम बल ज्ञान निर्मल स्वाधीन नाहे ये काया स्वाधीन नाहे ये काया मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो गोपीनाथ 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 नियत चरणे स्थान नियत चरणे स्थान नियत चरणे स्थान नियत चरणे स्थान मागे ये पामर कांडिया कांडिया मागे ये पामर कांडिया कांडिया कोरो हे करुणा दान कोरो हे करुणा दान मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो गोपीनाथ 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 तुम्ही तो सकली पारो तुम्ही तो सकली पारो तुम्ही तो सकली पारो तुम्ही तो सकली पारो दुर्जने तारीते तोमार सकती दुर्जन तारीते तोमार सकती के आचे पापीरारो के आचे पापीरारो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो गोपीनाथ 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 तुम्ही कृपा पारबार तुम्ही कृपा पारबार तुम्ही कृपा पारबार तुम्ही कृपा पारबार जीवेर करणे आसिया प्रपंचे जीवेर करणे आसिया प्रपंचे लील कोइले सुविस्तार लीला कोइले सुविस्तार मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो गोपीनाथ से दोषी आमी की दोषे दोषी आमी की दोषे दोषी आमी की दोषे दोषी असुर सकल पाइलो चरण असुर सकल पाइलो चरण विनोदाता किलो बोसी विनोदाता किलो बोसी मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो मम निवेदन शुनो गोपीनाथ 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 Hare Krishna. Thank you for the opportunity. Hare Krishna.
Very beautiful, Prabhuji. It's really very nice. Little bit tough, I think so. Same tune repeating, but still a little bit tough. We'll try and repeat after you, Prabhuji. We also need to read the meaning. So I'll stop the recording here, and maybe I'll send the recording to everybody. Okay. So shall we all repeat after Prabhuji? Hare Krishna. So, Prabhuji, you sing one line, we will all unmute and repeat after you, and then after every verse, we will read the translation also.
Okay, Mata. Will there be time, Mataji? Whatever best we can do, we will do. No? Okay.
Is my screen sharing stopped? I thought the recording is stopped. Are you able to see
screen?
the screen?
Yeah, screen. I am
Yes,
able to
Mataji.
see it.
You
Others, Hare
you
Krishna.
can see the screen, no? Okay, okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Gopinath, Gopinath,
Gopinath, Gopinath.
One more time. Gopinath, Gopinath, मम निवेदन शुनो
मम निवेदन
शुनो
मम निवेदन शृणु
Mama
Nivedana
मम निवेदन शृणु
Mama
Nivedana
मम निवेदन शृणु
Mama
विषयी दुर्जन
Visha
सदा कामरत
Sada
विषयी दुर्जन
Visha
सदा कामरत
Sada
किचु नहीं मोरा गुण
Kichunahi Mora
किचु नहीं मोरा गुण
Kichunahi Mora Guna.
Hare Krishna. Translation, please. Please, anyone read the translation.
Who would like to read? Shanti Mataji. You would
Yes,
like to
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. O Gopinatha, Lord of the Gopis, please hear my request. I am a wicked materialist, always addicted to worldly desires, and no good qualities do I possess.
Hare Krishna. Bhaktivinoda, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur's song will be very, very touching.
Yes.
Really,
Very nice, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Shall we go to the second one, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Actually, it was tough for me also. I am not a great singer and all. I am just for the hope of everyone who is in the class. I just heard it more number of times. I'll send the link also. It is sung by Swarup Damodar Das Prabhuji. He has sung really very nicely. It will melt your heart the way it has been sung. He has sung so beautifully, and the background music is very, very heart melting. I'll definitely send that link, and all of you can definitely sing. Only thing is that once it touches our heart, no, it is absolutely Krishna will make us sing. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Gopinath. Gopinath. Gopinath.
Gopinath. Gopinath.
Gopinath. Gopinath.
Gopinath. Gopinath.
अमर बरसा तुमी
Amara
अमर बरसा तुमी
Amara Bharasatumi.
अमर बरसा तुमी
Amara Bharasatumi.
अमर बरसा तुमी
Amara Bharasatumi.
तोमर चरणे
Tumara Charane.
लोइनु शरण Now I will continuously sing. तोमर चरणे लोइनु शरण
Tumara
Tomar kinkorami.
Tomara
Kinkorami.
Tomar kinkorami.
Tomar
Mama nivedana shuno.
Mama
Mama nivedana shuno.
Mama
Hare Krishna. Anyone please read the translation.
Vanaja Mataji, you read the translation, second verse. Okay, I'll read it. O Gopinatha, you are my only hope, and therefore I have taken shelter at your lotus feet. I am now your eternal servant. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Shall we go to the third one?
Yes, Prabhuji. Shall we do the fourth to the eighth one next class? Because I have a class at 11:15.
Yeah, that's what. Even if we can conclude it now, it is okay, Mati, because one stanza at least takes 3-4 minutes minimum. Now already it is 11:15. I think it's better we continue all those things in the next class also, because we have to go to the.
Bhajan. Yeah, we'll do the same one next class. We will revise the Jayapataka song and we'll do this next class. We'll start with this one next class. So
Yes,
till
Mataji.
Ramani comes, we'll do it. So then today we'll end the class. A very beautiful bhajan. We can spend 2-3 classes also with this, no issues. It's really nice.
I'll send the
Mataji,
link.
we
Although
start
Mataji,
Narayan Kavacham as well, Mataji, little bit next week.
Next week we'll start the Narayana Kavacham also. Surely, Mataji. Okay, sure.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you everyone for joining and giving your association. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank
Prabhu.
you.
Hare
Thank you
Krishna.
so much,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna.
Koti Koti Pranam.
Mataji, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare
Thank you
Krishna,
so much.
Prabhu.
Closing prayer,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna.
Can you do the closing prayer, Prabhuji? What's that?
Yes, Mataji. Vancha kalpa tarabhyasya. Yeah, Mataji, you go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Jubhe vacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo
Namo namaha. Ananta koti
Srila
Vaishnava.
Prabhupada ki jai.
Srila Prabhupada.
Thank you, Mataji. Koti Koti
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna.
Thank you so much.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare